Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll show you the unboxing, review, and testing of another Sharge device, the special and powerful Sharge IceMag 2 Power Bank, a product I recently discovered online. Let's get started. So, let's open it up and see what we've got inside. In the box, you'll find the Sharge IceMag 2 Power Bank, a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and of course, the user manual. Now, why do I call this a special power bank? Because I think it's the world's first Qi2 power bank with active cooling, specially designed to prevent overheating during wireless charging. The IceMag 2 also features a transparent body with sleek RGB lighting, so you can actually see the internal components. It's got a really cool and futuristic look. It supports 15-watt wireless charging, that's double the speed of the previous version. And with a solid 10,000 mAh capacity, you can easily charge up to 2 phones when it's fully charged. Alright, let's test the wireless charging now. I'll place my phone on the IceMag 2. As we can see, the charging light turns on. It's wirelessly charging at 15 watts, which I think is fast and efficient for both Android and iPhone devices. What's also great is that it supports 30 watts two-way USB-C charging, meaning you can charge the IceMag 2 itself and another device at the same time. The same cable works both ways. So, let's plug it into my phone and take a look at how it works. The phone starts charging instantly. And as mentioned, you can even charge 2 devices at once, one wirelessly and one via USB-C. That's super handy for travel or when you're out and about. With its compact design and built-in stand, this power bank is definitely made for portability. And thanks to the active cooling, you don't have to worry about overheating even during longer sessions. Overall, I think the Sharge IceMag 2 is a sleek, reliable, and powerful power bank, perfect for wireless charging and anyone on the go. If you want to get one for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.